What's up, y'all? It is day I don't know of COVID quarantine. And wait, let me see. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, day 5? Okay, day 5. I decided that I feel decent enough to not look like what I'm going through. Okay. So my hair's been like this. My face, not that I haven't washed my face, but I don't know, it's like dry in certain areas that it normally wouldn't be, like here in my eye, right? So if I look around on the camera, my bad. But anyways, so I'm just sprucing myself up because you ain't gotta look like what you're going through. I thought about putting on lashes because that's my thing. And it definitely makes me feel better. But I didn't feel like it. I thought about it, and it's not even a lot of work. Ooh. It's not even a lot of work, but somehow the more I thought about it, it became work. So I was like, forget that. Don't need that. So I'm just going to spruce up my hair because it's definitely been in that pony thing. For a couple days, I put on real clothes, not pajamas. It's just a dress, so I don't feel, you know, that cabin fever gets you. So let me see. And I got it shaved. And it's totally growing back because I'm feeling the itchies. But I'm like, girl, we ain't gotta look like what we going through. So I'm gonna do a little something. It's gonna be so simple because I'm already running out of breath. Don't make no sense. I'm already tired of talking. I ain't even did nothing yet. Oh, you know what? I just attempted to sing. Anyways, but in case anyone wondered from my other video how I was doing, I'm doing all right. I am resting when necessary, eating when necessary. As far as my taste goes, like, I say it's like 50%. It's about 50%. But I've had family and friends, even though most of my family and friends is out of town. But the ones that are here for now have dropped off food and anything else I say that I need. So hopefully if you're quarantined, you got some people that can take care of you. Because you're definitely not going to feel like taking care of yourself. Ooh. My hair be playing games. Don't play with me. But I'm also up trying to clean up, and I'm washing some sheets, okay? Like, I can't, like, 6 sheets. Ugh. Like, I can't. Like, I changed my sheets last night, but I need to wash the ones that was messed up from me sleeping in them these past few days. I just can't. The thought the thought of those sheets still being unwashed is grossing me out. So I'm like, you know, not that I know if, I don't know, it just makes me think of COVID. Okay, it's worse than a cold, but I'm just saying, when it comes to the germ part, like the spreading part, it makes me think of, there we go, coming alive. It makes me think of when you have a cold, and then it's like, everywhere, as far as like the things that you touch, and if you sleep in it, like normally any other time, if I had a cold or something, like I would still wash my sheets and whatnot. So that's happening. You know, it's easy to feel like you already did too much, but I'm gonna press myself for at least an hour. That's my thing, an hour a day. An hour a day. I get up and move around in my room, because like I lay down literally all the other time. So an hour a day, I'm like, I have to move my body, get my lungs up, get my breathing up, because it's easy to just have the straight cabin fever and not do anything. See, like my face. So an hour a day. So if you are stuck with COVID, oh, that ladybug I've been seeing, then an hour a day. And really, sometimes that's all I have strength for anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to my hour. Worsen. Doctor yourself. Take your time. Don't rush. And you get tired of talking. It takes a while. Anyways, so yeah, that's my take. Chit chat with you guys on another day. Deuces.